Changing your primary email on Comet.ml is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log in. Access your Comet.ml account by entering your current credentials. Make sure you are logged into the account where you want to change the primary email. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SOC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled email or email preferences. Click on this option to view your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email. You will see your current primary email address listed. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and update your primary email address. After completing these steps, your primary email on Comet.ml will be updated. Be sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages or further instructions.